What's the meaning of bandsman? Bandsman. Bandsman.
Bandsman. Bandsman. A bandsman is a member of a musical band, usually playing a wind or percussion instrument. Bandsmen may perform in a variety of contexts, such as military bands, marching bands, concert bands, or jazz bands. They are responsible for creating and maintaining the musical harmony, rhythm, and melody of the band's performances. Bandsmen require a high level of skill and knowledge in their instrument, as well as the ability to read music and follow a conductor's direction. They often spend significant time rehearsing and performing, and may also participate in competitions or tours with their band. Overall, the role of a bandsman is essential to the success and enjoyment of any musical ensemble.